physics background, you will understand my statement. I'm going to say resonance. You know what is resonance? The natural frequency and applied frequency meets. The resonance is unimaginable. We can't even think what is resonance is. Today, the people from all the different business people are here. Then, are we going to make it resonance, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, of course. Put your hands together and let's welcome one of our speakers, Dr. Leena Satpathy, Executive Managing Director of. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start with the lady and who is one of the energetic women going to share with us. Ma'am, please.
Hello, sir. Namaskar. Hello, everyone. Myself, Dr. Leena Satpathy. I've come all the way from Pune to visit this summit. So, I would like to thank Global Trend, Monica Jain, specifically for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you, all the business leads. I really thank sir to be here as a guest, and it's really my opportunity to speak in front of you and all the dignitaries and all the guests on the dais. Okay, so let me start with small presentation. Today I'm taking you through the very upcoming and I would say the highlighting field of interest, which is cybersecurity. So, as we know, that we are into the very digital era right now. Everything is going on digital. Everything is going far more digital than what we could have thought of. So, it's not.
Yes.
Yeah, it's more. So, basically, I'm here representing Transcendental Technologies, which is found in UK by our CEO and who is Mr. Ketan Atre. So they found this particular Transcendental Technologies in UK, London. So it's been like more than 12 years the presence of the company. Now they are footprinting globally. So we are now starting with the offices in India, in different parts of India, and also there's a presence in Southeast Asia and of course in Europe. So basically what we are founded by skilled professionals and the like-minded peoples. So the basic aim of our expertise, as you can see, is education and training, digital transformation services. Our core interest right now is cyber security and investigation services. We are also into the consulting and legal services, support digital marketing services. Also in multimedia, we are into the technology, software, and also for the sports. So we are into the different horizons right now. The verticals work for which we work as hospitality and travel, retail and manufacturing. We also support few of the NGOs, as I mentioned, and sports and many. So, I don't know if. Okay. Yeah, yeah, back. Back. I think we'll have to. Yeah, just in front now, one slide. Next. Okay, so recently, as I mentioned, that why cybersecurity is important. So, since everything is going digital, it is becoming very difficult to ensure that your personal data is safe, because people are logging from anywhere, and all of a sudden you receive a call, different calls like "आपको loan चाहिए क्या?" and all these kind of stuffs. Now we are seeing it's a lot and it's increasing. Also, we are going digital, like we are doing PayPal, or we are doing Google Pay, or these kind of online things. So we are really not sure how many people are freely accessing our data, our personal data, which is there on the net. So that is why I think the cybersecurity becomes very, very crucial, that protecting not just your own data, but also similar ways it's a threat to the national security as well. So these are the points which I have mentioned, that why it is important. It is necessary to maintain law and order in civil society. As we have seen few of the cases, some forwards on WhatsApp, and they create a chaos between a society, and there are a lot of things which are legally not correct. So for that purpose, it becomes very crucial, essential for corporate governance as well. Important aspect of influencing our day-to-day life, like IoT. Nowadays, we are seeing smart homes, we are seeing webcams, but nobody knows that these webcams can be easily hacked from the hackers, and they can see through all what in your house, where you have planted the webcams and etc. So all these threats are there in the society. It's really important for countering organized crime and terrorism, safeguarding our federal and judicial and all the important information and the beliefs that we have. Next please. So why transcontinental? So what we come up with the thought of introducing, or more bringing in front of the people the cybersecurity, because there's a need to have a vision even for the common people to understand how they should safeguard their information, which is vital for to go into the public. Okay, so we are having a specialized team of experts who are actually working in the field of cybercrime. So we do have investigators. Our CEO himself is a master's in the cybercrime investigation, and he's been working for the investigation of cases. So our journey is like we felt the importance of being awareing people, and also we realized that recently our forces are having very limited knowledge or outdated knowledge. They need to improve. So even we want to support our systems, legal systems, our police, our cybersecurity departments. We thought of having the courses which can support not just the IT industry, also the students who are coming out of the industry, be it any discipline. And also we wanted to make them expert who can support our systems where we need it actually. So we have designed few of the courses, and these are designed by our experts. So these are all focusing on the key areas of cybersecurity. We are also giving them the practical knowledge so that they can build their skills. They can actually go into the fields and practice solving the real-time cases, how they can support it. So they will get the trainings as well. We are also considering, we have considered there will be tech savvy people, and there will be few disciplines where technology is not that much. So be it a law, enforcement or something like that. So based on that, we have designed different kind of courses which will suit to every aspect or every organization. So these courses are both for beginners as well as experts who want to seek the careers in cyber expertise or cyber securities. Yeah, so the courses here we have first of our courses CSS, which is Cyber Security Specialist. As you can see, the module, what it includes and who all can be part of it. The duration is of 2 months, like 8 to 12 hours per week. And this program is best suitable for all the individuals who want to seek the professions in the cyber security. This is the Mastering Information Security, which is MIS. This particular program is again including all these expertise that people will handle, like computer, internet fundamentals, right from the fundamentals till the expertising in a research paper and case studies. So this is the MIS course, which is of a duration of 6 months. This will be for the experts or the leaders or professionals who want to seek the mastering in the cyber securities. Then there is a cybercrime investigator course, which is CCI. Again, this is right from the fundamental to the forensic investigation or proper forensic science criminology. Till that part, it will be covered. So again, this is a 6 months course. Which will be for 8 to 12 hours per week, and individuals who want to be specialized in cybercrime or want to work as a cybercrime investigator can take up this course. So these are the career opportunities, different verticals. If you do these kind of courses, you can be cybersecurity expert or forensic investigator, cybercrime investigator, or hacking forensic investigator, even the data security engineers. Now, a lot of IT companies nowadays are aiming on the data security. So even that you can achieve. Then you can be an intelligence analyst, and all sorts of verticals you can work. These are the work opportunities you can get post your completion of the program. So why there are too many universities, or nowadays there are different classes we can see for the cybercrime. So how we are different is because we have designed it very uniquely, considering the practical approach, what exactly the need of India's need of cyber security. So we have planned and designed based on it. We have all sorts of masters and experts who will be leading the way and telling or teaching the students who will participate. There's an in-depth, detailed syllabus where you can go through each and every tool that is used in security, so that can be gained. We have the high engagement of learning experiences, real-world application or hands-on experience you will get. Cases, as I mentioned, they can solve. We will train them best for the field of cyber security and digital forensic. Okay, so these are our associates. Basically, these are the different companies, those who are actually working in the cyber security zone, and they are helping out our Indian forces for the intelligent work. And we are proud to mention that we are affiliated by the Savitribai Phule Pune University. So this is a joint venture with the Pune University that we are launching off. We also have the recognition from the Canadian Association for Security and Intelligence, and also the Direct Action International, DAIC. So these are the three partners those we have. And so I welcome you all to the world of cyber security, since we are going too much digital. So definitely you can approach to us for the further information. We are here to help you. And if you have any plan to do the career, or if you are thinking of your like students or your colleagues or your companies, you can approach to us. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Monica, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much. Well, of course, ladies and gentlemen, the day starts today with a digital intervention, and of course, our day ends with a digital intervention. We are so speed and so we are elaborating and establishing our network globally. That's because of this, the fast-growing digital. But yes, of course, I would say like as we grow progressively, there is some pros and cons as well. So cyber security leads a very vital role. Thank you very much for your valuable insights. With respect to that, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause to Dr. Leena Satapathy, Executive Managing Director, Transcendental Technologies. Now I would like to call upon stage Preetham sir and Monica, please to join us to do the felicitation. And of course, today, as I said, like we are not just meeting together, we are creating a history for the next upcoming success, ladies and gentlemen. And one such, one of the speakers, Dr. Leena, can we have a big round of applause to her? Thank you, Dr. Leena. Thank you for making this day very special and very knowledgeable.